Welcome to another video in which we are going to write Python program to remove the duplicate elements from a list. Now guys, we can easily remove the duplicate elements from a list and keep them only once using set. So this we are going to check with the help of example as well. Now guys, there is another scenario. We can have the two lists. So as you can see, also for a given two list over here, if the requirement is to eliminate the duplicate elements, then we can convert them to set first and then use the symmetric difference to remove the duplicate elements from both the sets. So guys, let us check both these examples with the help of the VS Code over here. The very first thing is we are going to remove the duplicate elements from a list and keep them only once over here. So in the VS Code, so first of all we will define the list, that is list 1 over here, and then we will have the list that is 1 2 3 1 4 2. So as you can see, the number 1 and the number 2 is getting repeated over here. So these are the duplicate elements. So what we are going to do is we will keep them only once. So how we can do that? We can simply use the set class over here. So as you can see, it builds an unordered collection of unique elements. So basically all the elements will be included, but they will be occurring only once over here. So inside this we are going to pass the parameter that is list1 that we have defined. So we say list1. So guys, basically over here we have converted the list1 to set, and then again in order to convert it into the list and print it, we can provide the list class as well over here. So as you can see, we have the list class as well that will convert the argument that is provided to this list class to the list. So basically first we are converting this list1 to set over here so that all the elements are unique, and then this entire thing that is the set, we are converting it into the list so that we display it as the list. Now guys, in the end what we can do is we can have the print statement and enclose this entire expression inside the print statement over here so that the entire list is printed. So basically we will get the result in this case, which are all the elements that are included in the list 1, but the elements that are occurring twice or more than once will be occurring only once over here in the output. So let me just save this file now and try running this code. So as you can see, we have got 1 2 3 4. So basically this 1 2 3 were printed, and then 1 was removed because we used the set class over here, and then 4 element was printed, and then this 2 was again removed because it was already present previously. Now guys, what if we provide some more elements over here? Let's say we provide 5 and then 6, we provide 8 and then 7 and then again 7, and then we have 8 over here. Let me just save this file now and try running this code. So as you can see, we have got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So basically all the elements are getting printed over here, but only once. So duplicate elements are removed from this list using this method. Now guys, let us say you have another requirement wherein there are two lists over here, and from both the list, whatever duplicate elements are present, you need to remove from both the list and print them after consolidating them in one list. So what we can do is, again we will define the two list over here. So let's say we have list 1, it is equal to 1 1 2 3 4, and then let's say we have list 2, it is equal to, we say 3 4 5 5 6 in this case. So guys, first of all we need to convert both the list, that is list 1 and list 2, independently into sets. So in order to convert the list into set, we can use the class that is set over here, and inside the parenthesis we can provide the list 1 in this case, since basically we are converting this list 1 into set. And then guys, what we can do is, again we will be using list 2 in order to convert the list 2 into set in this case. So we have set class once again, and then we say list 2. Now guys, after converting both the lists, that is list 1 and list 2 into set, what we can do is we can use the symmetric difference operator over here, that is this raised to operator. So what this will do is, whatever duplicate elements are present between both the sets, they will be removed from both the sets. And then guys, finally what we can do is, after enclosing this entire expression inside the parenthesis, we can convert them into the list, and then this list can be printed over here by using the print statement in this case. So guys, basically we are converting the list 1 into set and list 2 into set as well, and then using both these sets we are finding the symmetric difference so that only those elements are present in both the sets which are not common in both the sets, and then we are converting it into the list and printing by using the print statement. Now guys, let me just save this file now and try running this code. So as you can see, we have got 1, 2, 5, 6. So basically the output of set list 1 and set list 2, it will be like this. So we will get the set as 1, 2, 3, 4 as set 1, and then set 2, it will be equal to 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this 1 was removed, and over here this 5 was removed, and only one time both the numbers are occurring in both the sets. Now guys, what numbers are common in both the sets over here? It is 3 and 4 which is occurring in set 1 as well as in set 2 as well. So these two numbers will be removed, and the output will be the other numbers, that is 1, 2, and then we have 5, 6 in this case, and that is what is being displayed over here after converting it into the string, that is 1, 2, 5, 6. So guys, this is the meaning of symmetric difference if you want to find the numbers that are present in both the sets and if you want to remove them. So guys, please make sure that you practice on your own so that on different inputs you get different outputs. Make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is Python program to convert bytes to a string. So stay tuned.